Good day. Today we're going to look at interior door threshold installation. This is what that is. Let's see how it's done. Follow me. First, I measured the length of the doorway space from the door frame on the left to the door frame on the right. Next, I cut the threshold piece at the desired size based on the door frame length measurement, which turned out to be 3 feet. Then, I measured the width of the threshold base, and based on that, I had to ensure that the width of the threshold pocket is slightly wider than the threshold base. Next, I straightened out the threshold pocket lengthwise. I used the level tool to keep it in a straight line. Any anomalies were removed by using a hammer and a chisel tool. Other tools may be used, for example, a Dremel. After all materials were prepared, I cleaned the threshold pocket space. Then, I glued the metal threshold base in the threshold pocket space using a cement and metal compatible glue. When the glue dried off, I installed the final piece, the threshold itself. I used a metal and wood compatible glue to secure it in the threshold base. I also used a rubber mallet to ensure that the threshold is fully inserted. And there you have it. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching another handy dandy video. And if you liked it or found it useful or both, ensure to subscribe, check out my other videos. Good day.